Hey everyone, welcome back to Gastromania. Today we are going to be presenting another recipe known as Nyonya Achar. This recipe is vegetarian and is delightfully refreshing, perfect to go with heavy meals to help refresh the palate. It's surprisingly easy to make and I'm sure you can do it too. Before we begin, consider subscribing so that you get updated whenever we upload a video every week. And without further ado, let's get right in. First, for the chili paste, we will need about 10 to 15 pieces of dried chilies. They have to be soaked and deseeded. 5 to 6 pieces of large red chilies deseeded as well. About 150 grams of shallots. grams of fresh turmeric. Prepare all the ingredients accordingly and blend them into a fine paste. Fry the paste at low heat. Make sure the heat is not too high and keep stirring as the paste will char really easily. The paste is ready once the paste darkens and the chili oil is forced out. Once it's close to being ready, season with 1 teaspoon of salt, followed by 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. Once it's ready, set the paste aside for later use. While waiting for the chili paste to cool down, let's prepare the fruits and vegetables. I'm using about 250 grams of pineapples diced, 200 grams of carrots sliced thinly, ,300 grams of cucumbers. Remove the seeds inside the cucumbers. This can be done easily using a spoon. Slice the cucumber thinly as well. You can actually add cauliflowers and cabbage if you like them as well. To the cucumbers and carrots, add about 3 teaspoons of salt. This is to draw the water content out of the vegetables. The purpose of doing so is to allow the marinating liquid to enter the vegetables easily later on. Mix the salt well and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. After about 10 to 15 minutes, add bird water to rinse off the salt from the vegetables and squeeze the water out. Alternatively, you can use some paper towels to dry the water. Transfer the vegetables to a larger container so that it's easier to mix later on. Add the prepared chili paste into the container. Add about 4 tablespoons of vinegar. You may add more later if needed. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix everything well and taste the vegetables. Adjust the taste according to your preference. If it's not sour enough, add more vinegar, and if it's not sweet enough, add more sugar. Then, add about 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder to be mixed into the mixture. Lastly, add the pineapples, ground peanuts, and roasted sesame seeds. How much to add completely depends on your preference. Mix everything well and keep it refrigerated for about 2 days. This will allow the marinating liquid to be fully absorbed into the vegetables and at the same time allow the sweetness of the pineapples to develop into the achar. And the achar is ready to serve! Cool and refreshing vegetable dish that will absolutely go well with any heavy meals like nasi lemak. Try it today! And we have come to the end of the achar recipe. If you like this episode, please help us out by pressing the like button to help out with the YouTube algorithm. At the same time, if you like our videos, consider subscribing for weekly videos. And I'll catch you in my next video.